Hello friends, how's it going? This is Naresh here from NM Global Trades. Welcome to weekly market summary video for April 4th week. Apologies, last week I haven't made a video due to my some of my personal commitments, and stay till end of this video. In this video I will walk you through last week what happened with respect to market, as well as you are going to get some good value from this video. And first let's go ahead and start with Nifty. Right now for Nifty, these are some important zones what we are seeing on Nifty. And today we have experienced a very good gap down opening, and good short covering happened in the market, right? This support zone is going to be very crucial for Nifty. Today we have seen very good gap down happen, then later a very good short covering happened in the market, right? So that is because Nifty is at a very good support point. These levels, I would tell, they are like very crucial for Nifty, and first let's see like what happened from last week and what's happening right now. So if you observe here, I mean this last week we got tagged with these levels. So this is a good resistance zone. We were talking earlier in our market summary videos also. So there we got some good rejection on this particular day. After that we got a good follow through this day. Then next day market opened very good gap down, and continuously it started falling towards these support zones, right? Later on of that week market was established a very good range, between these levels, somewhere between this low and high. So it formed a wide range candle. After that market started getting rejection around here, this area, and actually market is expected to fall from here. But today what happened, market started going huge gap down, and it started getting short covering, right? And if you observe like the overall trend right now, Nifty is forming, clearly it established a kind of lower highs format. So here we have seen some lower highs, then here we are seeing a lower highs, and this particular day it would have been very crucial for Nifty, this particular day, but end of the day it sacrificed this level and it closed below that, right? So that made as a lower high again, so this became other lower high. So right now if you see, something like this is going on, right? And as I said, from this day, after this big move, market is expected to get resistance, because it can be a other lower high, right? But today what happened, it started opening gap down and short covering happened, right? So right now Nifty, as I said earlier, so it's at very crucial support zone, and if Nifty has to fall further down, let's say there is very good profit booking is happening, or due to global issues like pandemic, again the second wave is getting started, so maybe because of that fears, if market is sacrificing these levels, these levels with heavier volumes, then and if it's sustaining above below these levels, so we can expect some serious sell-off happening on Nifty. So that time we can easily expect Nifty to test around these levels actually. So around these swing highs and these areas we can expect Nifty to touch. But right now I feel it's not that easy to to do that, because we have seen very good correction from past few days, right, after lifetime highs. So mostly, market has to retrace again, then we can expect a move. So something like this should be a possible, like the most probability should be something like that. But due to the current situation, maybe if it's giving up these levels very strongly with heavier volumes, then this downfall is pretty much possible, and we can expect these lows to be tested. And right now for this current week, these levels are going to be very crucial levels. See, today end of the day, Nifty somewhere inside this zone it has closed. So that's why this zone would be very crucial for going forward. So mostly my expectation on Nifty, if it is opening above these levels, and if it's sustaining above these levels, there is a chance it can test these levels. Otherwise, like if it's getting rejections from here, so then it pretty much it can test these supports. So mostly these levels going to be very crucial going forward, how we will see, I mean, how it works out. See, always it's not good to speculate market. We should never speculate market. We can have a view on market, that is completely fine, but you can't just come to conclusion market is going to fall or market is going to rise. That we can't really tell unless we are experiencing it in live market. Okay, so this is how right now Nifty is looking. And let's go ahead with Bank Nifty and just try to discuss, I mean, what are the important levels with respect to Bank Nifty. Right now for Bank Nifty, these are important levels, important zones. And today, as like along with Nifty, it also opened a good gap down, and some very good short covering happened. So Bank Nifty clearly it closed above this support zone today. So earlier, I mean, as it opened also today, it opened also above that, and it started falling. Then it got very good short covering, and it closed positive, right? So right now, compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is looking good in terms if you are having bullish view. Since like clearly we can see some range establishment on Bank Nifty, so mostly and also it closed bullish on bullish side. So mostly if it's getting support from here, so it is a very good, and it is going to tag these levels for sure. But we have to get with good price action, that is very important. Okay, and for that, one more point I want to add here. If Bank Nifty or let it be Nifty also, if it don't want to continue that negative move, this low has to be very protected. This low, this particular day intraday low, when it comes to Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, this intraday low has to be very protected. So from now, we should not see it's breaking this low with heavier volumes. Maybe it can form an insider candle, that's completely fine. It can form an insider candle, that's completely fine. Or it can form a higher high candle also. It can break this high also, that is also completely fine. But it should not give up these levels with heavier volumes. Even though it's giving up these levels, it should get buying, then it's okay. Otherwise, as I said, we can experience this sell-off continuing, I mean price to reach to these levels. Same with Bank Nifty also. If Bank Nifty is not protecting this low, and if it's trying to break out with heavier volumes, we can expect Bank Nifty to move towards these support zones. Okay. Right now, Bank Nifty is in this range. Right now, it's in this range. So maybe we can expect some buying on Bank Nifty at least to these resistance levels or towards this gapping area. I mean, here you have some gapping area. So at least towards these levels. Okay. That is overall view with respect to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So hope you like this content. I mean, whatever I am sharing on a weekly basis with market summary. So anything, important or something, I would be updating in our Telegram channel. So stay tuned, take care, and if you like my content, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay. So that's it from my side for this week, guys. So stay safe and take care. Bye bye.